Alright, we're gonna try to do a little in-cab content. Can't really see the boost gauge, but anyway, we're gonna see a lot of my shoulder. Yep. Apologize, but you get to see something anyway. But we're gonna take it out and play around with it on 12 pounds here for a minute.
Change that chip in it though.
Yeah, 5200 is just hitting the rev limiter too quick. And I need to bring the boost in just a little quicker.
Yeah.
But 12 pounds don't do too damn bad. That guy was following me like, I gotta follow this.
Yeah.
I'll let this cool down because I'm over there. I won't go back out of that. All that beating on it,
and it's barely even
and
hot.
it's up to 150 degrees, all the hotter it is. Well, there you got to see your little in-car on 12 pounds.